Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to set up a portable Wi-Fi. In your settings, go here on the Poco X6 Pro. Next, go to More Connections, and there is a Portable Hotspot. So click on it. And as you see, you can click to set up the Portable Hotspot. You can set up it by the password. Of your phone, and there you can share your QR code to connect your phone. You can one-time data limit set up here for the connection, and there is a few options about the turn off hotspot automatically and Bluetooth tethering about this connection. On the down here you can choose how many devices connected by your portable hotspot. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!